Trying to buy a new pair of pliers, new multi-tool, and I found this at Walmart. It's called Gerber Suspension Multi-Plier. Comes with a ballistic nylon sheath, cross point, and small medium flathead screwdriver, serrated blunt, nose knife, fine edge knife, can opener, lanyard ring, bottle opener, saw. It also has this Saf.T.Plus that is right here. When you extend the tool, turn the safety so that will prevent it from closing on you. And those are multiple tools that it has on it. The back side has the sheet. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys what is on it. Alright, I took it out the box, and here's the Gerber sheet. It's not the best one in the world, but it will protect your tool. Here's the tool. This is the Gerber suspension again. Open it up. Stiff, brand new. I like that it has the spring for the pliers, and it has the cutter there. Take a look at the, has like a thumb hole here for opening the blade. Try this lock. This lock, pretty good. I got the knife. Phillips screwdriver, flathead, and the serrated blade. That's on this side. Another thing that I noticed is this rubber type grip right here. Makes the tool not come off your hands or slippery. Here's another different serrated blade. Close this side. Close the knife. Alright, this is the other side. It's rated right here. Got can opener, pair of scissors. This is the look of the Gerber suspension. Looks like a pretty good tool. Its retail price is 30 bucks. You can find it online for around 26 or so. Depends where you buy it. Thanks for watching this video.